Hello, friends. Let's start preparing our new dessert. We will take 2 cups of oats and pour them into a blender bowl. Cover it with a lid and start grinding the oats. Once the oats are ground, transfer them to a bowl. Take a portion of warm milk and pour it over the oats. Now, mix this mixture thoroughly. Next, we will take 2 medium-sized carrots and peel them. It's very convenient to do this with a vegetable peeler. I recommend you get this tool if you have never tried it before. Grate the peeled carrots on a fine grater. Do you like carrot desserts? I really love them. Carrots are added to desserts to give dishes a sweet flavor, vibrant color, and a tender texture. Carrot cake pairs wonderfully with warm spices that are often included in the recipe. Additionally, carrots are nutritious, low in calories, rich in vitamins and minerals, and they add fiber to our desserts. I would like to get to know you better. Write in the comments where you are from. I am very interested. Add the grated carrots to the bowl with the oats and mix everything together. I try very hard to choose the most delicious, healthy dessert recipes for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And in order not to miss new recipes, put a reminder about the release of a new video. Now take a portion of dates, about 10 to 13 pieces. You can take as many as you like. Pour boiling water over them and let them sit for a bit. Then, remove the pits from the dates and place them in the blender bowl to grind them. Transfer the resulting date paste into our mixture and stir everything together. Next, take about 2 ounces of almonds, pour them into the blender, and grind them into fine crumbs. Transfer the almond crumbs into the mixture and stir it well. Now, take about 2 ounces of walnuts and chop them with a knife. If you don't like walnuts, or you just like others, you can make a substitute. Or maybe you'd like to add some of your own ingredients to the pie. Feel free to experiment. Add the chopped nuts to the mixture and mix everything together. Take half an orange and squeeze its juice directly into the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything once more. Have you tried making desserts using my other recipes from past videos? Share your impressions in the comments. I would like to know if you have managed to cook delicious pastries. Now, take a piece of butter. Then, grease a baking dish well with butter. Pour our mixture into the dish. And spread it evenly across the surface. It's easier to do this with your hand. Create a border with the mixture around the edges. Once you have spread the mixture in the dish, put it in the oven to bake. In the meantime, take 7 ounces of Greek yogurt, 12 ounces of cream cheese, and add 2 liquid ounces of honey. Take a mixer and blend this mixture well. Add another 2 liquid ounces of cream and blend again. Now, we will need 6 to 7 dried strawberries. Cut them into small pieces. What an incredible aroma! Add the strawberries to our mixture. Then, grate the zest from 1 orange to add it to the filling as well. And mix everything together. Next, we will need agar-agar. First, dissolve it in water. Then, pour it into a saucepan and heat it up. Check the package instructions for the proportions of agar you should use in your case. Pour this solution into the filling and mix everything with a mixer. For our dessert, the base has baked and we took it out of the oven. Now, let's fill the center with the prepared filling. Spread it out evenly for distribution. Then place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. While the filling sets, let's prepare some delicious tea. Or make your favorite tea using your own recipe. Once the dessert has set, take it out and decorate it with chocolate shavings. You can make these using a grater, like I'm doing now, or with a vegetable peeler. Both methods work well, but using a peeler gives larger shavings. Next, sprinkle our dessert with almond flakes. We can remove our pie from the dish. It turned out very beautiful and appetizing. It's time to serve it with tea and enjoy its taste. It has a magnificent flavor without any harmful ingredients, just pure goodness. Until we meet again.